Yo, what's going on, bros? Thank you guys again for tuning in for another video. Today's a very exciting day, man. We gonna be doing some real horsepower stuff. We gonna be starting the Vortex Supercharger today. So I finally made up my mind and went Supercharger. Yeah. But I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna unbox this real quick. I'm gonna start laying everything out. So today's a very productive day. We got a lot of things to put in today. We're gonna put in the Vortex Supercharger, and we're going to be putting on I bought a Mishimoto radiator for the BRZ as well. So today's a very productive day. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so we have everything laid out. We have everything we need for the supercharger. And a quick update, we already went ahead and took out all the stuff. Well, not all of it, but the end tank, and we took out the bumper, and we're working on taking out the radiator right now. We're going to be putting the Mishimoto radiator in first. And then slowly but surely work our way into taking out the pulleys and the belt. And yeah, we got to do a lot of modifications to it. And yep. We'll keep you guys updated. Down, it's a bracket that sits right here. We gotta set the alternator right back on top, and then we start assembling the supercharger, putting everything on top, and then we'll be putting in the radiator. Oh, here it is. Here's the bracket. So this bracket, in order for it to sit flush, it goes like this, but it has a lot of play, a lot of movement. So we're supposed to sand this little piece down just to be flush, and then after that it will sit perfectly. We put the alternator back in and keep moving on. I will keep you guys updated. We're moving fast because we're running short on time. Well, not really short on time, but we're trying to get as much done as possible. So, yeah, I will try to keep you guys updated as I can. And yeah, we got to keep moving. Alright, so far guys, I forgot to film it on camera, but we just installed the Mishimoto new radiator. And dang, that joint, it's literally about twice the size of the stock. It's real cool. And I also went ahead and bought the Mishimoto housing. Hey, this car's about to look good, real good. With that Vortex blue and then this. Should be like A1. But we still have not finished with the supercharger yet. We still have to just put the piping in and hopefully start putting everything back together. And we should be done. Hopefully we should be done. Alright guys, so a little update. We have everything mounted. The turbocharger's mounted. I mean the supercharger part is mounted. We're working on the piping right now. We had to manufacture some cuts, and we have to get rid of the washer fluid container, and we have to manufacture the other one. We got to use a small one right there that is provided with us. And we're working on the piping right now, putting in the intercooler. We got it right there. And yeah, so far very busy. Sorry I couldn't been filming anything, because I'm sorry I couldn't been filming. It's just we're trying to get as much done as we can. As you guys see, it's nighttime already, so it's starting to get late. But we'll continue here grinding. Hopefully we get done soon, but I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, so far guys, I forgot to film it on camera, but we just installed the Mishimoto new radiator. And dang, that joint, it's literally about twice the size of the stock. It's real cool. And I also went ahead and bought the Mishimoto housing. Hey, this car's about to look good, real good, with that Vortex blue, and then this. Should gonna be like A1. But we still have not finished with the supercharger yet. We still have to just put the piping in and hopefully start putting everything back together, and we should be done. Guys, so day 2 of the supercharger install and Mishimoto radiator. We took it out because I got myself a new crank pulley from Grip Speed. So I took advantage of getting it now, because due to the fact that the one I have is pretty bad, it's pretty rusted. So I just went ahead and boxing it real quick. Look at that thing. Woo. It's crazy how light this thing is. It's very light. And the one I currently have on the car is, you can see, but we're trying to take it out right now, but it's pretty rusted. So just taking advantage of the fact that we're down there already, so I want to make sure I don't have to come back to it in the future. So take advantage about the pulley. And I also went ahead and bought some new fans from Mishimoto, and so that's why we took the radiator out. And yeah, kind of taking things out. Just I want to make sure everything's gonna be reliable and durable, and not only that, but it's gonna last me a long time without having to do maintenance. So yeah, taking advantage of that, and super excited. Tomorrow we will be tuning the car, so we're gonna see how much the difference with the supercharger is gonna be. And yeah, it's gonna be real crazy. Haven't driven it for about 4 weeks, because we haven't been able to get back to it, finish the supercharger, because 1, the weather, and 2, it's just the time. Every time we get done after work, it was already late. So yeah, we're finishing it up today, and hopefully we get done today. I will keep you guys updated. Yeah, these don't look official. Bam. Yo, they're so slick. Look at this. Bam! Yeah, these ones look so cool. Dang, they tight. They tight. And they're light too. Yo guys, another cool thing, look, this is what came with the fans. Look at this little air freshener. That's so dope. That's dope. They gave me an air freshener, bro. Yeah, look at this joint. Hey, it's a little penguin.
Something's better than nothing, right?
Ahí apretó. ¿Ya apretó?
Un poco. No, turn off this one right here.
No, the holes didn't, no se forraron?
I'm not gonna use those anyway.
Nah, you don't need them. Oh, ya quedó.
Yeah.
Nice, man. No, ahora no da vuelta. ¿Así siempre es?
A mano no le vas a dar vuelta, cabrón.
No.
A mano le vas a dar vuelta. Así sí.
Ahí sí. Oh, okay.
Le quiero dar vuelta a mano.
Yo, I try to spin it with my hand. Alright, yeah. Now we just gotta put everything else back in, right? Alright, guys, so after all these hours, hard work, finally pays off. Finally got everything mounted. We got the new housing, we got the radiator, we got the new fans. Everything's in. Vortex is in. Yep, it wasn't easy. We had to modify a lot of things, but thankfully everything went well. And yeah, thank you guys again for watching, and stay tuned for tomorrow. We will be taking it to the Performance Shop, so I'm taking it to PR Automotive. It's over here in Millersville in Maryland, so stay tuned. So it's going to be exciting. We're going to get it tuned, see what kind of power we're working with, and yeah, hopefully everything turns out great. Until next time, thank you guys again for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, peace.